Today we have to learn fifth law of exponent, that is x to the power minus m is equal to 1 by x to the power m. This is also called reciprocal law of exponent, and as we have studied four law of exponents in our earlier classes, so today we have to do this one. Now we will do the next worksheet which is based on this law of exponent, and also previous four laws will be used in this worksheet. Now look at here. This is the first question of worksheet 5. 2 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 6 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Then we may write 2 to the power minus 1 can be written from law 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 whole to the power minus 1. At first we have to write their LCM, so we will write 6, and this 2 divides 6 3 times, so here we have to write 3 and here we will write 2 to the power minus 1 plus LCM of 6 and 8 will be 24, then 6 4 are 24, so 4 will be here, and 8 3 are 24, so 3 will be here to the power minus 1. Then we will get 1 by 6 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 24 to the power minus 1, that means 6 plus 24, and after adding both of them we will get 30, so 30 will be our answer. Okay, now we will move through the next question. Look at the next question. Question number 2. 2 to the power minus 1 and 3 to the power minus 1 square into 3 to minus 3 by 8 to the power minus 1. Then 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 can be written 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 square into minus 3 by 8 can be written minus 8 by 3. Minus 1 will be removed. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 can be written 1 by 6 square into minus 8 by 3. Now 1 by 6 square, that means 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into minus 8 by 3. Okay, now by the table of 2, 3 times it will be 4 times. Once again it will be 3 times and it will be 2 times. That means in numerator we are getting minus 2, and in denominator we are getting 3 into 3 into 3. That means our result will be minus 2 by 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, now we have to do question number 3. Then look at the question number 3. All of you can see here 4 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 12 to the power minus 1. Then we may write 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 12. Now at first we have to do the division by Bodmer's rule. Then 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into 12 by 1. Now 3 4 ja 12 and 4 1 ja 4. It means we are getting 1 by 1. That means our result is 1. Okay, now we will move through question number 4. So look at here. It will be 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. So you may write 2 to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, that means 3 to the power 2, and 1 by 4 to the power minus 2, that means 4 to the power 2, because 1 is not needed to write in the denominator, so we have written 2 only. It will be 2 by 1, but we have written 2 only because in denominator we don't need to write 1. Okay, now 2 square, that means 2 into 2. 2 square, that means 2 into 2. So you may write 2 into 2, or you may write directly 2 into 2, that means 4. So you may write 4 here also. 3 square, that means 3 into 3, that will be 9, and 4 square will be 4 into 4, that means 16. Then we have to add all of them. Then 16 plus 9, 25, and plus 4, 29. This is our result. Okay, now we will move through question number 5. So look at the question number 5. It is 2 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 square minus 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. Then 2 to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 5 square into minus 8 by 5. We have taken the reciprocal of them as minus is given here. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 5 by 1 square into minus 8 by 5. You may write the bracket here also. If you don't want, then you can't write also. You will not write also. Okay. Now it will be 5 by 2 square into minus 8 by 5. Then you may write 5 by 2 square will be 25 by 4 into minus 8 by 5. Then 4 2 ja 8 and 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 into minus 2, then your result will be minus 10. Okay. Now look at the question number 6. It is 3 by 7 to the power minus 2. Then it will be 7 by 3 square divided by 4 by 7 to the power minus 2, that means 7 by 4 square. 7 by 3 square will be 49 by 9 divided by 7 by 4 square will be 49 by 16. Then 49 by 9 into 16 by 49. Then 49 and 49 will be cancelled one time. Then you may write 16 by 9 is your answer. Okay. Now question number 7. 4 by 5, 4 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 8 into 64. Then bases are same and numbers are in division. Then 4 to the power 5 minus 8 will be written here, and 64 can be written 4 to the power 3, as 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Then 4 to the power 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and this is 4 to the power 3. You may leave it 64 also. Okay. Now once again bases are same, so we may write minus 3 plus 3, that means 4 to the power 0, and as we know any number to the power 0 is equal to 1 from the fourth law. Okay. Now rest of the questions will be done in next class. Have a good day, children.